Hello, All In crew. We made it through all 10 commandments. I'm so proud of each and every one of you. So I have 2 challenges for this week. The first is your weekly challenge question. I want to know what you've learned about the 10 commandments that you could teach someone else. And remember, record your answers, upload them to Dropbox, or you can download any kind of writing that you've done to Padlet. But the second challenge is to study and prepare yourself for our upcoming quiz on April the 2nd. But here's a twist. We want you to make slime. Remember how we talked about being green and slimy with the 10th commandment? Yeah, so we want you to make your own. Now, you don't have to make it green, and you can kind of follow various recipes. We'll link some here below, but we want you to have something to fidget and to play with while you study. All right, guys, so you know what you need to do. Record your response, upload it to Dropbox or Padlet. Find the recipe linked here for the slime. It can be a super easy one that's slimy. It could be a fluffy one, or maybe you have a favorite recipe of your own. And study, because we are going to be having lots of fun answering questions this Sabbath. Bye, guys. See you next time.